Prophetic's latest creation is here to take over your thoughts, your dreams, and maybe even your Netflix queue. But wait, there's more. Could this be the dawn of a new era in human enslavement? Will our toasters start demanding rights? And most importantly, can this AI make a decent cup of coffee? Stick around, folks. We're about to uncover the truth. What is Morpheus 1, and how could it revolutionize lucid dreaming? Morpheus 1 is a revolutionary new AI system developed by Anthropic to induce and stabilize lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming is the remarkable phenomenon where you become aware during a dream that you are actually dreaming. This allows you to gain control over the dream world and actively manipulate the environment and course of the dream. Achieving lucid dreams normally requires dedicated practice and training in dream awareness, but Morpheus 1 automates this process using cutting-edge AI and neurostimulation technology, making lucid dreams accessible to anyone. Morpheus 1 works by detecting when you enter REM sleep based on an analysis of brainwave activity using an EEG headset. It then uses a powerful 103 million parameter AI model to generate a customized ultrasound stimulation pattern targeting regions of the prefrontal cortex linked to lucid dreaming. The ultrasound waves penetrate the skull and stimulate those precise brain regions, inducing a lucid state. Not only can it induce lucid dreams, but the AI system monitors your brain activity in real time and adjusts the stimulation to stabilize the lucid state and prolong the dreams. This has the potential to completely revolutionize the field of lucid dreaming. What was once an elusive and fleeting state that only some trained experts could achieve consistently can now be induced on demand with the help of AI. Lucid dreaming has applications far beyond entertainment too. It has been used in treating disorders like recurring nightmares and PTSD. The level of conscious control over dreams can also be used for creative problem solving, practicing skills, and other cognitive enhancements. By making lucid dreaming widely achievable, Morpheus 1 could unleash vast human potential. Lucid dreams reflect the incredible capacity of the human brain to be consciously aware even while dreaming. Morpheus 1 represents a breakthrough in understanding and interfacing with complex brain activity using AI. How does Morpheus 1 actually work from a technical perspective? The technology behind Morpheus 1 involves an innovative fusion of brain activity monitoring, AI models for decoding that activity, and ultrasound neurostimulation. Here is a step-by-step overview. First, an EEG headset is used to monitor your brainwaves in real time as you sleep. EEG measures electrical activity from firing neurons in the brain. When you enter REM sleep, where most vivid dreaming occurs, your EEG shows signature activity patterns. The EEG data is fed into the AI system, called a multimodal transformer. This model was trained on paired EEG and fMRI scan data from subjects experiencing lucid dreams. The EEG provides critical timing information showing the sequence of changing brain activity, while the fMRI provides spatial patterns showing exactly what regions are activated. When the AI model detects the EEG signature of REM sleep, it generates a 3D model of the expected brain activation based on the training data. This activates regions involved in higher consciousness and the prefrontal cortex, which enables self-reflection during dreams. The model then calculates a precise sequence of ultrasonic pulses targeted at those regions that will stimulate them in a pattern that mimics the natural lucid dreaming brain state. The transducer array in the headset targets ultrasonic waves into the cerebral cortex, which excite the neurons and induce the desired activity pattern. The ultrasound can penetrate deep into the brain with millimeter precision to stimulate small clusters of neurons. Finally, the EEG is continually monitored while the ultrasonic stimulation is applied, and the AI model updates the stimulation parameters in real time to maintain the lucid state. This closed-loop system provides optimal brain state control. The AI system guides the ultrasound transducers to stimulate the brain in just the right way to induce lucid dreaming based on analyzing the person's brain activity. This technical orchestration of data, algorithms, and ultrasonic neuromodulation is what enables the remarkable capacity to guide consciousness using Morpheus 1. What are some examples of potential applications of this brain stimulation technology beyond just lucid dreaming? The precise, non-invasive brain stimulation made possible by Morpheus 1's technology has potential applications far beyond lucid dreaming. Here are some promising areas it could impact. Addiction treatment. As that 60-minute segment demonstrated, brain stimulation was able to reduce addictive cravings and retrain the reward system of a person with a heroin addiction. This approach could be revolutionary in helping people overcome substance abuse and addiction by directly modulating the underlying neural pathways. Mood enhancement. Stimulating areas involved in emotional processing and regulation could help people with anxiety, depression, and other conditions improve their mood and emotional state without the side effects of medications. Focus and attention. Targeting stimulation to brain regions involved in executive function and attention, like the prefrontal cortex, could give people enhanced control over their focus. This could boost productivity at work, enhance learning capabilities, or prolong concentration span. PTSD treatment. Post-traumatic stress disorder is linked to abnormal functioning of brain regions involved in memory and fear response. Stimulation could help rebalance activity in these regions and potentially reduce traumatic memories. Chronic pain. Precisely targeted stimulation of sensory regions could activate pain inhibition pathways in the brain. This could lead to novel ways to reduce the severity of chronic pain without drugs. Memory enhancement. Strategic stimulation during learning or sleep could amplify consolidation and recall of memories. This could help both healthy individuals and those with memory deficits. The exciting reality is we are just scratching the surface of what non-invasive brain stimulation can achieve. As brain imaging and AI models continue to reveal insights into neural function, stimulation technology like Morpheus 1 will enable unprecedented control over human cognition and mental states. The brain is the next frontier for advanced technology. How does Morpheus 1 compare to emerging brain-computer interface technologies like Neuralink? Both Morpheus 1 and Neuralink represent groundbreaking innovations in the field of brain-computer interfaces, but their approaches differ significantly. The key differentiator is that Morpheus 1 relies on non-invasive EEG monitoring and ultrasonic stimulation without any implanted components. In contrast, Neuralink is developing an invasive implantable device with electrodes inserted directly into the brain tissue. For Morpheus 1, the trade-off for non-invasiveness is lower resolution and precision in recording and stimulating brain activity. The EEG can only capture large-scale electrical patterns from the scalp surface. Ultrasound allows tissue-penetrating stimulation, but still with a much lower resolution compared to implanted electrodes. However, the ease of use and accessibility of a completely external wearable device like Morpheus 1 will likely enable much wider adoption by users. Most people would be reluctant to undergo brain implant surgery, especially for recreational applications like lucid dreaming, but they might readily adopt a headset with no surgery. On the other hand, Neuralink's implant approach has the potential to enable much faster data bandwidth and finer control over the stimulation and recording of individual neurons. This could one day allow capabilities like controlling external devices or typing just with thoughts. However, regulatory hurdles and the inherent risks of brain surgery pose challenges for widespread adoption. Morpheus 1 trades away precision for convenience and accessibility. For now, it is focused on inducing broad brain states like lucid dreams. Meanwhile, Neuralink aims to create a full high-fidelity brain-computer interface for radical human enhancement. Both technologies hold tremendous promise for expanding human potential and understanding the brain. Morpheus 1 represents an exciting practical first step that foreshadows future non-invasive BCIs, but implanted devices like Neuralink represent the ultimate destination for technologies that directly interface with the brain. The ideal would be to integrate the safety and ease of use of external devices like Morpheus with the performance of implanted electrodes to maximize benefits while minimizing risks. Through this technology, we are gaining an unprecedented window into the workings of the human brain and our consciousness. Could this technology be misused or have unintended consequences? There are reasonable concerns that any powerful technology affecting cognition and mental states could be misused or have unforeseen side effects. Strict testing and oversight should be maintained, but the potential benefits appear to outweigh the risks. Progress also requires accepting some risks. Used responsibly, this technology promises significant improvements in human life and society. How long until this technology becomes widely available? The initial prototypes are limited, but rapid advancement is expected. Pending regulatory approval, consumer devices could emerge within 5-10 years. However, full realization of the potential applications may take decades of continued innovation. Widespread adoption will also depend on cultural acceptance as these technologies challenge assumptions. But the exciting potentials ensure development will continue apace. We are just seeing the first glimpse of a transformative revolution in understanding and interfacing with the human brain. And there you have it, folks. Another wild ride through the rabbit hole of tech insanity. If you enjoyed having your mind mildly disturbed, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Remember, stay skeptical, stay curious, and for the love of humanity, keep questioning everything.